In this video, we are going to learn the proof of cot²A plus 1 is equal to cosec²A. So, here is a figure, a right angle triangle at angle B, and here is my vertex A and vertex C. So, using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, I'll get AB whole square plus BC whole square is equal to AC whole square. Now, the whole equation I'm going to divide by BC whole square both on the left hand side and right hand side. Let's see what happens. Now this second term will become 1. From the figure, if we focus on angle A, AB side will be the base and BC side will be the perpendicular. So base divided by perpendicular gives me cot. Again, if I focus on the angle A, AC will be hypotenuse and BC will be the perpendicular. So, hypotenuse divided by perpendicular will give me cosec. So, here is the result. Cot²A plus 1 is equal to cosec²A. So here is the simple proof of this identity. Thank you for watching the video. For more such maths and science videos, subscribe to our channel.